Right now, you probably think you need a better face, better jawline, better hair, better
Everything.
to look attractive. And if you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, yeah, this isn't enough, your brain is lying to you. Hard. Because here's the ridiculous truth most people never hear. Your face is only like 50% of what makes you attractive. The other 50% is pure psychology. And if you use even a few of these tricks, you will look instantly more attractive without changing anything physically. Let's start with the wildest one. Trick 1, the halo effect. Your brain is absolutely stupid in one way. When it sees one positive trait, it assumes you have more. If you look confident, people automatically assume you're smarter, kinder, funnier, more attractive. And before you freak out, confidence is not a feeling, it's a behavior. Meaning, you don't need to feel confident, you just need to look confident for 3 seconds. Stand straight, shoulders back, chin slightly up. That's it. Your brain and everyone else's brain fills in the rest. People will genuinely think you're more attractive, even though nothing changed except posture. Trick 2, the 0.5 second rule. Most people make this mistake. They either stare too long or avoid eye contact completely. Both make you look nervous. But there's a sweet spot. Half a second. Half a second of eye contact right when you first see someone. Just enough to show interest, not long enough to feel weird. This micro moment makes you look more confident, more present, and yes, more attractive. Psychologists call this thin slicing. People judge you instantly. A tiny change creates a huge difference. Trick 3, the slow blink. This one sounds strange, but it works. When you slow blink while listening, people subconsciously assume you're calm and confident. Fast blinking equals nervous and unsure. Slow blinking equals relaxed, controlled, attractive. Your brain associates calmness with competence, and competence is hot. Trick 4, speak 10% slower.
You don't need a deeper voice.
You don't need a sexy voice.
You just need to slow down a tiny bit. People who speak slightly slower are automatically seen as more mature, more trustworthy, and more attractive. Fast talking makes the brain think, this person is insecure or trying to please me. Slower talking makes the brain think, this person is comfortable being heard. Again, pure psychology. Trick 5, the spotlight effect, your superpower. Here's something that literally destroys most people's attractiveness. They think everyone is staring at their flaws. But the truth is, nobody cares. Psychology calls this the spotlight effect. You notice your flaws 100 times more than anyone else. The moment you stop acting like your flaws matter, people stop noticing them too. Confidence works backwards like that. You act like you're comfortable, people believe it. Trick 6, the power of pauses. This one feels illegal. When someone asks you something, pause for half a second before answering. Just a small pause. Instantly, you look composed and socially intelligent because only confident people pause. Everyone else rushes. And yes, this makes you look more attractive without changing your face at all. Trick 7, the open triangle. When talking to someone, keep your chest and feet pointed slightly toward them. Not fully, just a little. This creates a subconscious signal that you're approachable, not desperate. It's the perfect balance. People are naturally attracted to open body language. Trick 8, the emotional mirror. This one is scary effective. Humans like people who feel like us. If you match someone's energy, not copy, just match, they instantly feel more comfortable with you. Happy energy, you lighten up. Serious moment, you slow down. Their brain thinks, I like this person. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about emotional sync. Trick 9, the quiet confidence effect. You don't need to talk more. You need to talk less, but with intention. People who speak only when they have something meaningful to say are perceived as more mysterious, more valuable, and more attractive. It's not silence, it's selective energy. You're giving quality, not quantity. Trick 10, smile with your eyes, not your mouth. A big smile all the time makes you look nervous or try hard. But a tiny squint, also called a Duchenne smile, makes you look instantly warm and attractive. It's the smile that actors use in movies. And yes, it works in real life. Final truth, looking attractive isn't about fixing your face. It's about fixing the signals you send. Your posture, your eye contact, how fast you blink, how you talk, how you react. These tiny psychological tricks flip a switch in the brain. People don't fall for your face, they fall for your energy. And if you use even 2 or 3 of these, don't be surprised when people start treating you differently, because to their brain, you are different. Subscribe, please.